What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. You got me, Solomon, here today, and I just got into Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Justin's here to pick me up,
and we'll see you when we get to the shop. We just made it over here to Dayton, Tennessee, and we're at Justin's shop.
He's been the one fixing the beautiful B100 over here. So Justin, what all you had to do the last couple of days?
It wasn't bad. We put some radiator hoses on it, all new coolant, and then we had to rebuild the rear end. The spider gears was plumb just destroyed. But luckily we got some good contacts with some guys. My buddy in the shop here, nothing but four-wheel drive, so we made a call and got a whole new carrier and everything, put it in.
Heck yeah. So now I'm running 373 gears. He had it yesterday. He was taking it around the block. He's like 60 miles an hour. It's pretty much all you're going to be doing, but at least it's running. So right now we're gonna
check the oil, gonna check all the tire pressures, make sure that we're looking good, and hit the road to Bowling Green.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So we're gonna do that, and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, now it's time for the mover. Still sounds good.
Damn. The clutch on this thing is kind of funky.
Hell yeah. She's on the road. Now I'm gonna go see the guy at the exhaust shop. I might add a couple feet worth of exhaust just because I don't really like straight mufflers. Kind of gives an annoying droning sound after a while. But other than that, the truck's awesome. So give you guys a little walk around.
Start at the back. So here we go. It's got the pop-out windows. It's got a step here, and then this right here. That's a step. That way you can get up top. It's actually one of my favorite parts of the truck. It's got bump side taillights for some reason. And then we got another pop-out window. This side only has one door. Put a mirror
On this side so I could see.
Everything's working like it should. Got the two doors over here. And that's that.
So I'll pick you guys back up in a second. All right, so we just pulled the B100 outside. We're gonna be going to the muffler shop in a minute, but I wanted to show you guys Justin's trucks.
Dude, tell us a little bit about this 66 over here.
Well, this is my new baby. I bought the cab from Jonah out of almost Miami. And then I bought a whole nother truck because it was red. And that's what the front clip and the bed and the front doors are off of. The cab's stuck over in the corner. But that truck come with a 04 Explorer chassis. The guy did some decent work, but I don't plan on using any of it. The front's not the best design for air ride. I got my body and paint guy. He's working on matching the colors. I'm gonna try my best to keep it close to patina as possible, but close to the same color.
Yep.
I'm not gonna paint any of the other truck, just the cab.
Nice. That'll be pretty cool.
Here's my engine. I'm gonna put a 12-valve Cummins in it.
Hell yeah.
I just bought a whole chassis just for simplicity.
Do yourself a favor. When you start it, make sure there's all pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good idea.
I got it running here, what was it, last week? The week before Super Nats, I guess. We fiddled with it for a couple hours, got it running. But I have a huge shop, but it's just not, it's a mess. You have this much room, it's easy to pile stuff around.
That's the fun part. I wish I had this much space. I'd have so much more crap.
Right. But I got a 61 Econoline. That was going to be my family ride when I had the other truck, but I found a deal on a crew, so I sold that truck to build it.
Dude, I love the freaking patina on this. Cause it's pretty solid. It's just looks like someone rolled down the paint.
Yeah, like 30 years ago.
I think I found that cab that you took apart.
Yep. And this is still a decent cab. I'm gonna save it since I got so many doors now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try my best to build a crew cab just to do it. Why not?
Yeah, you definitely have enough doors.
Yeah. But this is Lawson's truck, super cab. We're We may run that back half that's under that the crew cab.
Nice. So
I'll probably do the old Crown Vic swap just for simple stuff. And I got 2 Crown Vics. I got a front clip over there.
Nice.
I need to do something with it.
Then I go 2.
Old lady wanted a Outlander or whatever you call them. So we got the Bronco too, but that's down the road.
Hell yeah.
Then I got this 66.
Parks truck.
It was started as a parks truck, but it breaks my heart to tear them up. So I think I'm just gonna throw it on the Crown Vic and let somebody else enjoy it.
Yeah.
I've got everything for it, so it's kind of hard not to.
What do they say? One man's junk, another man's treasure.
That's usually my treasure.
Exactly. Sweet. Well, tell everybody where they could check you out on Instagram.
I don't remember that stuff. Here's my front clip I got from Matt at Solus Innovations. He's
yeah,
that's gonna be my front clip. Then I'm gonna run a full chassis behind it. So I can't wait. I got Hutch's manual brake conversion.
So you're starting to buy the good parts.
Yeah, I'm getting the parts.
You're getting there.
Yeah, usually I make everything, but I'm starting to. It's just too simple not to buy. I mean, it's.
Yeah, you literally you just cut it.
Yeah, you can cut it and bolt it into a factory frame rail. I'm not going that route, but.
Yep.
But yeah, my Instagram is Jenkins_423.
Sweet. Well,
You guys make sure to check out Justin. He just hooked it up hardcore, fixed the radiator issue, fixed the rear end. Now I'm gonna be back on the road. So just want to say thank you. And honestly, thank you so much, dude.
Yeah, man.
I really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
So now, gonna hit the road. You guys will see me going to Bowling Green. See you there. So now we're underneath. This is before, so you guys can see the exhaust is just literally straight to the header. Can't have that, so we just came to the exhaust shop. All right, so now we got the new exhaust in here. It is looking beautiful, nice and out the way. So we're gonna go back over to Justin's shop, grab my stuff, and I need to hit the road. Sounds so much better. A little bit quieter. I'm sure it won't be so drony. Excited. Okay, we are heading out. Just said bye to the boys. Got the new exhaust put on. Gonna hit the road. Should be fun. You guys will see the montages. Just got over here to the first gas station. Wanted to top this thing off. Justin said that he put some in yesterday and that the gauges work, so I'm at a little bit less than half. Top it off. I also bought I think it's a 2-gallon extra, so it should be good. Figured I'd just set you guys up. Okay, so just filled it up. Be able to put in 15.5 gallons. I also filled a 2-gallon jug, so 13.5 gallons. And gonna keep on trucking. Just made it over here. Beach Bend Raceway, Holly Intergalactic Ford Fest. So now I'm gonna go check in, get all my credentials and stuff, and then if there's still anything happening, because it's like 4:30, then I'll show you guys. So see you in a second. All right, all checked in. Got my window decals, and I got my safety vest because I'll be doing media, so I can go where all the fun stuff is, which could be dangerous, so gotta be bright. But going to slap this on and head over to the car show. We'll see you guys over there. we're official. So, gonna head over to the car show. Well, here we are. Holly Ford Fest. The show's kind of dead for the day, but made it over here to the booth and some pretty cool stuff. Here's Steve's, I don't know exactly what year, but 48 to 50. This thing is pretty awesome. Can't wait to see all the stuff here at the show, and right now there's some guys drifting, so let's go check that out. Okay, so now that they're not driving on the course, I can cross real fast. Alright, so we gotta be quiet because Alex Taylor was learning how to drift from Chelsea. And it's pretty cool seeing Garrett use a camera. I didn't know you actually knew how to do that, bro.
I don't know what I'm doing. Pointing shit. I'm in auto mode.
So yeah. And I'm sure in a few minutes we'll see her try drifting again, and it'll be pretty badass. See you then. Jason and them. They're not set up yet, but the 69 is looking beautiful. I'm sure we'll find them tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna go head over to the hotel. We'll see you there. I was heading over to the hotel and spotted literally a trailer load of C8 Corvettes, and only in Bowling Green, since literally I think that's where these are all made, so somewhere around here. And I figured this might as well be a good enough spot to end the vlog. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you enjoy the content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to get some cool merch like hats, shirts, keychains, stickers, hoodies, coffee mugs, head over to fordera.com. We will see you in tomorrow's video.